Oh my god, please don't fucking do this to me. Yo, what's going on, guys? So, sorry for the late one. I've just been really, back end of the Twitch stream. I mean, the streaming was not working really well for some reason. But anyways, a lot of people took that trade used on EN. I didn't take it. I was flat because I was, I was managing other stuff, and I was just basically wanting to look for better confirmations. But I didn't take it, and I'm glad that everyone is making money on that. That's awesome. Yeah, it was pretty easy money. I'm pretty happy that everyone got that, at least most of it. So that's pretty cool. Alright, but yeah, hopefully a lot of you guys caught that. Really awesome trade. So for EN, there was that EU bias that I was looking at EU. I was looking to take it, not to take it, but I have an idea. I had an idea on EU, basically that to take it out from the 200 EMA. Now EN, I wasn't on my watch list, but I heard that Austin mentioned it, and I was looking at it, but didn't take this trade just because I wanted a little bit more confirmations. There was divergence against the direction over here. It did break over in the TDI. It did break the divergence line, but it hasn't broken yet on price action. So 1 hour, it was higher time frame buys, full higher time frame buys. 4 hour liquid 15 buy zone. And the EMAs were basically short term. Like the short term EMAs were bull bias, and then the 800 EMA was bearish. So it was in the way, but it was out of the way, but it was bearish still. And then basically the one daily, the EMAs looked really bullish, which for me, that's something I will like. I really like to see. And then liquid 50 was in the sell zone. Higher time frame like confluence on this trade. But anyways, so I was looking at this, and yeah, really good trade. Like it went up all the way, went for a retest over here for the higher low, and like right over here. But I didn't get in. So for me, I wanted just a little bit of more confirmation on this. You know, the 800 was below, the 50 was right over here. So you know, awesome trade that if everyone caught that. But yeah, just wanted a little confirmation, especially on this pair. You know, especially from last Monday. Last Monday there was a really good confirmation on it. So that's why I took it, but on this one I didn't see that much of a confirmation on this setup. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I didn't take it. The 50-minute Rs, I mean the liquid 50 wasn't even in the buy zone yet, which I really wanted to see. And then on the time of the entry, right over here, the 50-minute was through the RSI, right over here. So a little bit of confluence, but yeah, I didn't catch it because it just basically rocketed off really fast. So it is what it is. Just mark it up if no one caught that, and yeah, that's all you can do. But yeah, EN, beautiful trade. That's nice. Awesome, Jack. This thing, you know, it's going, it's breaking the Asia, it really break the Asia high. And so right now, like I have this little zone marked up, it's already trying to go through. So I'll definitely try taking it up to the divergent line and see what it does from right over here. But yeah, pretty much I was looking at GN too. I mean not GN, but what is it? GF. But obviously it just literally fell through the roof right now. So swapping liquid 50. Nothing else really looks good today. I was looking at GU and GJ and GU for a long high time frame buys, but it looks like they're falling right now. GU isn't falling, but it is a swapping liquid 50. Rest of my risk when liquid 50 came in the buy zone, but never got a retest after that. Yeah, that's nice, bro. Congrats. That was a really nice winner. Wasn't able to catch that, unfortunately. And then this is a volume wick. Looks like on Euro pairs we could see some rise today. Definitely a lot of freaking room for a rise toward here. So I would be expecting a rise today in EuroCAD, which is good. We'll catch something tomorrow for EuroCAD and these other pairs to get back into trend, because they were in trend yesterday, and then we saw a pullback usually around the Asian range or the Asian session, and now we're going to probably see a continuation tomorrow. We'll just have to wait. GCAD. Swapping 50. Yeah, nothing really pretty today. I think EN was definitely like the better trade today for sure. Cause I don't really see anything that I don't really see anything that I would really want. Bearish divergence, falling liquid 50. We could see a retest on EU and then possibly a continuation of you know, bearish momentum. So we'll just see. This trade is definitely the good ones. That's awesome though. Really happy that you guys caught that trade. You got a winner on Euro CAD yesterday and another winner on Euro NZD. And I think this could be literally like one of the few winners today that are actually good setups, because I don't see anything else. GF, I don't know if I... I'll look at the 1 hour in GF. I want to see if there's any like kind of bearish divergence. Yeah, technically right over here. But definitely still a lot of room. But I want to see what it does. With the liquid 50, literally just bounce off from a 4 hour, like right there, which is typically a bad sign. So hopefully we find some support, and then once we find some support, we can see a continuation if we see that. But yeah, because we were trying to take it short. The higher time frames are obviously a little bit more. We're trying to take it short, I believe. I mean that. Yeah, we're trying to take it short on Friday, right over here, which obviously did not work against our direction. But we'll see. We'll see. I want to see some kind of support on that. I want to see what the 1 hour looks like again. It's swapping liquid 50. EMAs are bullish. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We have some bullish divergence right over here. This looks like literally a trade that's gonna go like no retest and just fully out, go like a million plus pips. GF usually doesn't have like a really good retest. The 50 and 800 is in the way, so I mean that's a really big minus for me, especially this week. But yeah, it's right there. And then 50 in the way. Yeah, but I don't know. With these levels of support, it's just I don't really like seeing that at all. But we'll see. Again, if there's enough risk to reward, but there isn't from what I can see here. Going for a retest. Let's see what we do here. Yeah, I wouldn't want to trade this at all. There's no bearish divergence, but the liquid 50 is falling. And, you know, these EMAs are in the way, which, I don't know, I really don't like at all. But let's see, we got EU right here. Looks like it's trying to find some support on the 50. Maybe possibly make a lower high and go down from there. We got EJ right here. We got EA here. Yeah. Nothing really good, to be honest. Definitely don't want to chase anything today. DXY looks like it's been falling. It's trying to hold some support over here, so let's see what that does. EuroCAD. Just nothing, para nada. I only want to take really probable trade setups today. And GJ literally has just been choppy for some reason. Like, come on, GJ, what are you doing? Why are you doing this to me? Usually, like, GJ is my favorite pair to trade, and it's the pair that I make most of my money in, at least for this month. Let's see what we have here. You know, this is in the way. I hate that. Look, 50 is falling. Alright, alright. I wonder where Barrett's at. So we got the 800 EMA in the way. But yeah, so 850 and 200 in the way. So this is not the most ideal thing that I want to buy today. You know, yeah, could it go up? For sure. But for me, like this week specifically on my trading plan, I have to stick to the most probable setups and watch out for the liquid 50 falling, because that's going to get you. Let's look at US 100 too. Possibly buy, but literally, like, these EMAs are in the way. Like, I can't do anything when these EMAs are in the way. Like, it just decreases the probabilities with the liquid 50 in the sell zone. I mean, not a sell zone, but falling. But yeah, so it is what it is. I'm not disappointed in myself for like missing this setup. You know, it is what it is. You know, with my time zone, I have to wake up literally like freaking early, so I'm not tripping. I'm taking my time. I like taking my meditation, doing my meditation. I like getting my coffee in. I love doing my stretches. You know, just sticking to my normal routine, because that's what I've been doing for the last couple of this whole year. So 50 May. We could have some risk to reward on it. I know with US 100 I could risk literally 6 points and make like 20 points easily. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. So he hasn't retested the 50 yet. I want to see that. GPUSD. Swapping liquid 50. But we have some bullish divergence here, and it's off the Asia high. I mean the Asia low. It's making higher highs. Maybe enough risk reward for 1R on this. Alright. See what that does.
When you market on LinkedIn, you reach your customers in the mindset to do business, wherever they happen to be.
Hey guys, SD Bullion is the best. I always have seamless transactions with them. Products are always delivered on time and in the condition that they promise. So go SD Bullion if you guys run.
So we're seeing a push over here. Okay, nothing really good here. I was looking at, I want to look at US 100. We're trying to build some structure here. Oh my god. Freaking. Done. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so I think okay, we'll see what we do here. Spread is 1 pip. I think I'm gonna take this trade, but just really small, and then I'll add some. I'll add some later once I see some confirmations. But I doubt that this would be like the big move today, just because of I don't know the EMAs being in the way. So I'm not in yet, but I want to wait for some momentum to hit in, and then I'll get in. Liquid 50 looks like it's trying to hold. We're making some structure here. We didn't retest the 50. Yeah, I'm not in yet. I'm gonna wait for a little bit more confirmations. Let's see. Still waiting on that. About half an hour if I choose to take the full stop. Which we'll see. I think we'll see a rise on this thing, but probably a drop once we hit the 800 EMA. So that's why I'm choosing to have just have it like quick RR to get 1R, and then I'll be out basically. So we'll see. I don't like how slow it's going right now at the current moment. Let's see. Yeah. It could be just slow right now. We could just see a slow bullish momentum on it, like I've seen before. I'm going in. I went in small. Yeah, I'll reduce my risk if I have to. If it goes opposite against me. But it's a really small RR risk to reward that I'm risking here. Alright, so we'll see what we do here. We just see a retest. But I'm ready to reduce my risk. I got in at 0.10%. So really small risk. Oops. So let's see if it holds. Yeah. I'm in at 0.10%. So technically like jump money. But it's just basically like just testing waters right now. I'm gonna add in later if I see more confirmation. Boom. Boom, boom. Dun, 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 dun. We're seeing a hold on that, so I may add in later. Once I see a continuation, liquid 50 goes in the buy zone, 50-minute RSI goes to TL, which is it's almost there. So we'll see. If it's holding structure really well on this, then it's just riding up the higher highs and higher lows. That's why, like with Nasdaq, before market opens, we see a lot of like, not that I mean, we see a lot of like volatility, but not like insane volatility where it's impossible to handle. And I think I'm gonna add in a little bit here. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. But that's why I like trading Nasdaq. It's just because it's controlled. It holds structure really well, and you can scalp it for basically a really easy 1R. Oh, that's a bit unfortunate. All right. Let's see what we have here. I should expect this next candle to go bullish. So let's see. This next candle close, this 1 minute candle to close bullish. With enough bullish momentum to take it up to the upside. So it did close bullish, but not bullish in what I expected it to. $50-minute RSI is 3TL. 1 minute, it's almost in the buy zone. It is in the buy zone. So this next candle, these next candles should be closing bullish. Should be now. Just giving it time, basically, to do with something. That's all you could do. Alright guys, I'm gonna make some coffee right now. I'll be right back. So making my coffee, guys. We're up about a few pips. Actually, points, not pips. I'll add them later. Alright, we're up about a few pips. It's really nice winner right now. I'm about to lock some stop. I might stop into break even right now. Alright, my stop is locked right now. I'll break even. Oh my god, we're pushing, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Easy. 106.57.5. That's our stop. Ooh, we pushing even more. Almost 1 hour. We're at half an hour. Stops are at break even. Beautiful trade. Such a beautiful trade. I added in a lot. I added in risk, so we're about up. We're up about 0.5, almost 0.5. Oh my god, we're almost at 1 hour. Let's go. We're at 1 hour. We're closing half. We closed half. We're about 0.5% in profit on the day. Let's go. Look at that drop, guys. Come on. Easy. Boom. And it's still pushing up. Let's go. This could be a mover, guys. Let's go. Really nice winner, guys. We'll see what we do here from now. At my lock stop, I break even, so I can't lose. I close 50%. Still making my coffee, guys. So we got stopped out at break even. So I took about a little bit more than 0.50% on this. So really nice winner to start off the week. Plan is, if it really wants to go up again, take it long again. So we'll see. We'll see if it presents. Oops. We'll see if it presents again. I'm gonna get my coffee real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. But really good winner to start off the freaking week.
When you market on LinkedIn, connect with your customers. Regardless.
Alright. I'll be right back.
Hey there, if you're concerned about the second half of this year being just as bad, or even worse than the first half of 2020, especially with the wars and lockdown, then this is going to be the most important message you can see here. See, for over 20 years, I've taught over 100,000 everyday forex trading. By the way, these are the same methods that helped me take a $2,000 account and grow it into $2 million in just 2 years flat. My students, their results have been incredible, even during all of this madness. And I've just prepared a short 20-minute video that details exactly how we've done it. We cover all sorts of things, like why my traders will sit at the computer all day looking at stock charts. In fact, they've been looking this camera in just 30 minutes a day. And also, why finding stocks to trade is actually so easy, like if you started to do it. And why making it into $1,000 a month is low end of what we expected. As you saw, my traders are easily making way more than that. And starting today, we will be one of them as well. So click the link to see how. See you there.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I've been moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Yeah, know who you are. Line up at the bar. Wish on a star. Time to show who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're fronting hard. Tell them I be big in a game like she when I got them breasted plants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We on, hating because you want. Shining like it's neon.
Alright, guys. Just got back from my coffee run. Alrighty. So, really good trade on NASDAQ. Took about 0.5%, a little bit more than 0.5% on that. Just really happy about that winner. You know, quick and easy. You know, in and out within literally 15 minutes of me taking this trade, I was out. So, you know, I love it. You know, there's nothing else that I ever wanted in my life. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome Tuesday. And let me know if you guys need any help or anything like that. And yeah, so we'll see what we do here. I want to see what we do toward this zone. Maybe we make a higher low off that, and maybe I could try scalping it again. But yeah, we'll see. I'm not going to try getting into something again just like that. So EU, let's see what we have. So we were looking at GF today to take it long, and it looks like it's a no bueno right over here, unless it's trying to make a higher low in the 1 minute. So we'll definitely see that. Let's see. FSM, literally, guys, this is the stock that I bought. We gapped up from $6 to 703, and it went all the way up to 731. So that's insane. Like, it looks like it's popping off again. Like, my options, I'm literally up almost 100%, which is it's crazy. Like, it's stocks and options, that's crazy, you know. It's freaking crazy for me. But EU, we have that, and that's going on. GF. Looks like it was trying to make a lower high from right over here, so it failed to make a lower high, so we're probably going to see a push up on that. Let's see what we have here. GN. Nothing looks pretty today. GU. It tried making a high, completely fell. Look at these wicks. That's clearly something you guys do not want to see whenever you're trying to trade or you're trying to take a D1. Like, just look on the 5 minute if it's choppy on the 1 minute, and then just look at those wicks. That is something you definitely do not want to see. That's clearly showing that the buyers are, you know, are losing control, and the sellers are stronger than the buyers. And you know, from there, it looks like we may go down from there. So we'll see. GJ, nothing really pretty. There was a D1, so we could make a higher low from right over here. So we'll see. Strawberry every day. Alrighty. Let me check. I'm gonna drink some of my coffee. Where's my music? Come on, where's my music, bro? Give me some music. Give me something to live on. Come on, let's go. I did not sleep really much last night, guys. I don't know. It's probably because of my pre-workout. But we're living. We I feel fine. Executed that trade really fast according to my plan. So I'm just happy. You know, I don't know if we're gonna trade anything else today, but we're gonna be watching for sure. Because again, patience makes perfect. Consistency, guys. Come on, it's just like being consistent with it every single day. I've been doing this for such a long time where, you know, I just literally today 0.50%, and I don't know if you guys like 0.50% may not be a lot for you guys, but for me, like with I have several big accounts, and that's more than enough for me. 1% is more than enough for me. 1% is like, oh my god, thank you so much. 0.5%, I'm happy, you know. And at the same time, you're growing your account. It's about that monthly gains. It's all about that yearly gains. So hey, you know, it wasn't full percent, but you know, I'm definitely happy that I made money on this, and just being grateful, you know, just being consistent. You know, I know the Nasdaq is a bit tricky to trade, but I've just been consistent with it literally every single day for the past like almost a year, and just, you know, I've been trading, I guess, indices for longer than that. So it's just basically finding the move, finding what suits me, and you know, finding something that works on the Nasdaq whenever it's really volatile. So love the systems, love the ASIC systems. It works really well with it. So Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's a bit unfortunate that we did not take that EN trade. But let me make a quick Instagram story. Hey guys, what's going on? So we took a trade on Nasdaq 100, US 100, and basically we got about 1.29R on it. I closed half at 1R, and then basically, actually a little bit more than half, and then basically let the rest run at and saw me out of break even. So really nice winner, about a little bit more than 0.50% on the day. And just yeah, literally in and out within 15 minutes, I was out of this trade. So really happy about it, and let's see if we can find another trade. If we can't, then I'm more than happy to just call it a day. I want to see what EN looks like right now. We're making a higher low from right over here on GJ. GF looks like we could be making a higher low as well. Yeah, we are. Let's see. Which one do I like, GF or GJ? I'll give you guys my input in 1 second. Let me just look at my EURNZD. Okay, so it looks like it's been rejecting off right over here, over this zone right over here. So, to be honest, I still think this thing has momentum. So we could see a pullback and maybe an A1 entry later on the day. So we're just gonna wait. Like I said again, guys, it's all about waiting. It's all about the patient games. It's literally on 2.5R. So that's good. All right, so let's look at GJ. So GJ, 15 minute. Let me drink some of my coffee. Man, that coffee's good. Holy crap. MRE coffee. Okay, so GJ, we have the 850 EMA in the way. If I want to take this trade, I want to have some RR toward here, which obviously on the 1 minute we don't have enough RR for the break of the 50, so I will want a break of the 50, break of the 800, and then probably enough RR to take it up to the 800 or 50 minute EMA. That's what I think. Let's see, GF. Let's see. So GF, where the 800 is in the way, the 50 is right over here. Maybe enough RR if we go above the 50 and 200 and the daily pivot. It looks like, yeah, daily pivot, and then we see a potential rise toward the 50 right over here. So right over here, 800. I mean 50. So yeah, basically I think I like GF a little bit more, to be straightforward with you guys. Because again, once we pull out of this range from right over here, and then we start making more significant higher lows, it's only enough risk reward for EA. So let me see, say we enter right over here, and then stop is right over here at this higher low. Which is right over here, it's just slight divergence, but we can clearly see structure with that. So divergent with structure, that's what I like. Now that's 1R to here, and then 50 about 1.5R. So not a lot of risk to reward, to be honest. Let's look at GJ. These are C setups for sure. So let's just say I took it from price action right over here. Stop, probably going to be around here. 800 EMA, we have about 0.8, 0.9, and then 1.2R. So GJ and GF looks like the better trade to take it up. Now higher time frames, I think GJ is a little bit winning on that. So let me do the higher time frames analysis real quick. Top end analysis. So higher time frames are probably going to be GJ on the confluence side. Just it's not the higher time frames on GJ. Definitely not something I want to play with.
Want to play that song you love? Find it on YouTube Music. We have official songs and albums by your favorite
Liquid 50.
artists. It's the new music
Yeah.
made by YouTube. Download YouTube Music today and get a trial of music.
Yeah. It's not as confluent as I want it to be. So we're definitely going against the trend right over here. So, yeah, on the 1 minute it looks nice. But, I don't know. I don't like the, I like the restore order in GF, but I don't like the higher time frames. So, I mean, in the higher times for me, it's really important. Because again, like, you know, it's important to stay in the trend. Looks like we're going down from here. Basically, jumps down, retest, makes a higher low, and we'll see what we do at the pivot. I still like the idea of buying this, but we'll see, because it could be, from what I see on the 1 hour, it could be basically divergence on top, higher low, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and then a continuation of that lower high. Which if that is, then, well guys, I think I'm gonna do some option trading. So on the daily chart, what I was looking at in NASDAQ 100 is basically we haven't broken to the 21 since basically we haven't touched the 50 literally since, you know, the coronavirus happened, not the coronavirus happened, but whenever it affected the stock market. So I was thinking if we go toward the 50, it could be a really, like, if we make a lower high from right over here, this could be the lower high, this could be the lower high, and then this could be something that you take it short for sure. A confirmation for me to take a short, which I would like a lot. Which I will take a short on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour on the NASDAQ. But we'll see. This is going to be kind of like a late entry. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. So, that's good. Yeah, it's a lot of drawing. Sorry about that, guys. I do a lot of back testing, if you can't tell already. But anyway, so right over here. So lower high, lower high. Now I'll take it on the 1 hour on that D2 idea. I just want to take an entry maybe on the 1 minute. So I'll manage it on the 1 hour and then try taking it on the like an entry on the 1 minute if I see one. But we'll see. And let's see what we do here. Savannah. Savannah, bum, bum, bum. Hey.
Light's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. From the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Fields across the land.
Savannah. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, hey. Savannah. We're looking to short Nasdaq. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Savannah. We could see a slowdown here. I want to see a slowdown, a pullback, and then I'll enter. Manage it on the 50-minute and 1 hour. Now this is what I will call an actual D2 off a significant level. Price structure is making lower highs. 50-minute, it's in the sell zone. 1 hour, it's in the buy zone. 4 hour, obviously it's falling, but it's not in the sell zone yet. So whenever you're looking at this, it's a lower probable D2, but I'm going based on structure of what I see in the 1 hour for me here. And on the 4 hour, we got bearish divergence. One, two, three. We could see some resistance from right over here. I like how the RSI is basically falling down like that. It's hooking down.
It's YouTube Music. Download the app
It's
today
YouTube
and
Music.
get a trial of Music Premium on us. Restrictions apply.
Man, it must be nice in Florida that it's sunny already. Make me ooh. I mean, I'm dropping my cupcake everywhere. Holy crap. Mm. Mm-mm. Yeah, this song is trash. Sorry about bursting your eardrums, guys. Oh my god. Need something good, bro. Oh my god, hey guys, make to 100% per month using my algo strategy. I'm looking at NASDAQ right now. I'm trying to take it short, but I want to see confirmation first. That's why I'm going to lower time frames to see if we're going to see rejection. Bum. I'll be right back. Alright, we back. CGF. We're trying to make a higher low. GJ. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Nothing looks good today, guys. Or I wouldn't want to chase an idea right now. Like, there's nothing here worth putting your money in. So we're bought on GN. GC. Let's see. Nah, there's nothing good, guys. There's nothing good here worth putting your money in. Y'all's hard-earned money. E.g. Nah, I mean, there's like a little confirmation that happened here. Question is, was it through the RSI? Looks like it wasn't. Let me check. No, it wasn't, as you can see there. But like I said again, the replay button isn't really... It's not really... You probably try getting a 3 count formation in for risk to reward, but it wouldn't be an actual A1 in my opinion. And it's just a candle formation, no shift candle. But I don't know. If I took this, that's a lot of... Seems like a lot of pips I'm risking. But it would be up 0.4R. So we could see a breakout on GA. I actually like this idea. There's bearish divergence though from right over here. And it looks really choppy at the moment. But definitely enough risk reward to take it all the way down. Click this link and I'll show you. Click this link and I'll show you guys how to make $1 million. Alright. There's enough risk reward on that. It's touching the divergent line right now though. So we'll see if it breaks out for the new low, for the new high of day. Something on A1s, it's either you don't want to see a reversal, like you want to make sure that the liquid 50 stays on the buy zone on the 1 minute, and it's holding the 8 and 21 EMA. But let's see if this divergent line kicks it all the way back down, which I mean it could possibly do because it's been rejecting from here. I like how I'm trying to shorten basically the the stock indices when I have literally like stocks under my name. I think that's hilarious because I bought a lot of silver stocks last week, so you know it's kind of ironic that I'm trying to do that. But I still feel like, you know, with silver being, you know, with silver still increasing in value, I feel like if we see a drop in these indices, or we see a basically another big drop on the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq or anything like that, or the Dow Jones, I feel like silver stocks will still do well because of the increase in silver. Now that's because, you know, as you know, silver increases in value, these companies will able to, you know, so let's just say these silver companies, these silver mining companies, let me give you guys some facts. Let's just say these silver mining companies basically let's just say that they opened up back in you know, they opened up back in, like, let's just say, like, you know, 10 years ago, whenever like silver was around, like, let's just say it was around like $15. Now that company, of course, it grows and needs to have more, I guess it needs more materials, like it needs to, you know, open more businesses, it needs to open more like, I guess, mines or whatever, and pay its workers and just increase the workforce. So obviously, you know, they use that, they you know, they have to make sure that they have enough money to grow. But as silver goes up basically and increases their value, silver increases their value, so does the silver companies as well, because again, you know, their value goes up and they're able to basically sell those silver for more money, and they could use that money for, let's just say, yeah, of course, you know, increase the workforce and increase the supplies, and, you know, just basically manage the business really well. But at the same time, what puts them in an advantage on the recession, in my opinion, is basically, you know, the basically as silver increases more and more and more, you know, so will these silver companies. So whenever there's a recession, an economic collapse, these silver companies are, you know, are struggling financially. As silver goes up and increases in value, which is, it's been doing literally non-stop, you know, these companies will have more money in their hands, and they'll be able to basically reduce the little, I guess, economic fallout that's going on around them. So they could use that to basically pay their workers if they don't, like, a lot of companies are going to lay their workforce down, and they could use that to basically pay their workers and make sure that they don't lay them off or something like that. So that's why I personally think, in my opinion, why silver, especially silver stocks, are going to go up, or at least, like, not go for a crash whenever we see a crash on the Nasdaq or the S&P 500 or anything like that. So just because of silver, as silver increases, as the dollar falls, silver increases. As there's more economic, as you could say, economic uncertainty, there's going to be a lot of, like, I guess, plays in silver, like, for increasing its value, just like gold. So that's why I think, these silver stocks, these silver companies are not going to they're not going to fall out, basically, as I'm trying to say. So it's kind of like a hedge if you think about it. It's a nice hedge on my portfolio. If I were to buy, like, let's just say if I were to buy, like, Tesla or Apple or anything like that, having, like, kind of a hedge toward a different market, like the silver market, and that these companies rely on solely a lot, because guys, like, silver mining companies, like, they rely on silver. That's basically their income. That's how they make their money. So having a company solely relying on that, and like, the product itself is not affected by the economy. It's literally affected by precious metals, the value of precious metals. I feel like that's going to be a really freaking nice opportunity for some people to reduce their risk on their portfolio if they have, like, a lot of, like, stocks that they're in their portfolio. So it's a way to hedge your portfolio for sure. So really smart play if you guys are, like, into stocks and stuff. Ooh, we're shooting down. I'm in right now in a short position. I'm gonna lock my stop by break even once we hit 0.3 R. Yeah, it looks like it completely failed to break the new high of day, because of this, of course, the divergent line on TDI, and then as well as this, zone right over here, which is a bit unfortunate for the people who are actually trying to buy this. Oop. All right. GF is just basically standing still. we'll see what we have here. So for everyone watching right now, if you guys have not seen basically the, my coaching package, so I'm going out only to a few, I think 10 people, 10 slots to my coaching package, which basically my coaching package is you get free 1 hour calls. It's not going to be limited to 1 hour. It's just basically the time that I have there. If you guys need more help within that 1 hour, then I'm more than happy to give more time away for free. But basically, these 4 hour calls are going to be, me helping you out through your trading process, your trading psychology, making sure you have a trading plan, making sure you have, of course, a trading journal, and then, back testing. Why back testing is so important, and, how I can help you guys out with, increasing your markups if you're not doing markups, or start doing markups or whatever, and just get you into a process of basically doing this, like right up here, just markups. So let me show you guys my my July markups. So all of these, just basically helping you guys out with your markups, and making sure that they're all in organized order, and how you could use them to study, because they're going to be really useful. But right now I have around more than 100 markups for this month, almost 200. So basically within the calls, I'll show you guys how to be more organized in these markups, and help you guys with, again, all the process with trading psychology, with the systems, the A1, D1s, if you guys are part of Ace Effects. So yeah, it's a limited offer. It's 4 calls. Usually I charge $59 per call, so you get like a something off from it. And then one of the cool things is I offer a money back guarantee on all of it. So all of the 4 calls, it's a 7-day money. It's not a 7-day, but a money back guarantee on all of them. Just because, again, like, I value you guys' time, I value my time, and I just want to make sure that you guys are getting value from my calls. I just don't want to get into a call with you specifically, and then you get no value from it at all, and you didn't learn anything. That's not how I work. So that's why I make sure that with that coaching package, it's a money back guarantee. So it's $199. Which is a bit expensive, but with 4 calls, it's usually around $240 or whatever. So you do get some money off, and again, it's a money back guarantee. So you guys, if you guys are skeptical or something like that, I'm gonna give you your money back if you have absolutely find no value in our calls. But yeah, so our calls will be basically 1 hour length time. Well, I'll give you basically my just some templates that I use for my trading journal, my trading plan, if you guys don't have them already, and then just help you guys out as much as I can. So because that's solely what I truly want. So yeah, check it out. Link in bio. It's in the link in the description right now. It's the first link. It's $199. And again, money back guarantee. I'll make sure that you'll get your money back if you find absolute no value, which usually it shouldn't happen, because you're going to be in the calls with me learning something new. I'm 100% sure of it, because no one knows the A1 system or D1 system, like all the I guess the tips and little tips and tricks or whatever. So definitely check that out, guys. $199. It's only going to be open for 10 people, just because I'm actually going on a vacation in 2 weeks, so I wouldn't be able to do like 20 calls a week or something like that. So yeah, check that out. 10 slots. And yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions as well. GJ looks like it's trying to go up. Seeing some potential momentum on that. So GJ is going up from right over here. Let's see where this thing goes. Ruben's up 6 pips on that. Bum, 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 bum. We'll see. See what we're doing here. Going up from that. Pushing 8 pips. It's out of the Asian range. Let's see what we do here. Trying to bounce off this level.
Introducing the Explore tab on YouTube Music. Find new releases, playlists, and more in one spot.
That makes sense. Oh, that makes sense right here. It's coming off this level right over here. Which it went down all the way on 22nd of June. Retested it. So we could see a push. This divergence right over here has been making higher lows. So this thing makes sense to take it long, but it's not a good setup for sure. The EMAs are in the way, so I would not be even considering taking this at all. Alright. So I think I'm gonna call it a stream. I've been streaming for 2 hours. Took a good win on Nasdaq 100. I don't think I see anything that I wanna, anything perfect right now. All the pairs are kind of crappy right now, which is okay. I think GJ will probably see a rise today, out to the high of the AR and then the resistance 1 pivot. GN, it's going up still. GF, nothing really good. Yeah, GF looks like it may want to drop again. But I like how it's trying to hold structure right over here, so that's a good sign. GF, I like GF on like the, basically on the risk to reward on it. But let me know if you guys take it, because it is trying to hold structure really well off here, which is something you definitely want to see. So structure. So my guess is we're probably going to see something rise over here. But we'll see. EU. It's just basically crap right now. It's making lower highs from there. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the stream, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. Again, check the offer, link in the description, the first one, coaching package. You know, I really want to help you guys out. Any of you guys struggling in your trading, struggling in the system, struggling with your psychology, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out on that. So it's $1.99 again, a money back guarantee in all the calls, because again, like, I really want to make sure that I'm giving you guys value on our calls. So check that offer out. It's in the link in the description. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow, Wednesday, 5 a.m. Central Time Zone. Sorry for the little late stream because you know, my back end stuff was kind of like glitchy or whatever. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions about the offer in my Instagram. And yeah, check the offer out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, 5 a.m. Central Time Zone.